Welcome to Finance Frontier, your guide to building smarter income streams in 2026.
Today, we're diving deep into affiliate marketing, one of the most powerful ways to earn online. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale, this step-by-step journey will show you exactly how it works. Affiliate marketing in 2026 is exploding, and you can start today with zero inventory. Here's how it works. Share a product link and earn a commission when someone buys. It sounds simple, but success comes from strategy, not luck. Step 1. Join affiliate programs that fit your interests and audience.
Networks like Amazon Associates, Impact, and ShareItland/ShareASale are popular starting points.
Commissions vary. Tech, finance, and software often pay the highest.
Choose a niche you understand, controversy. Authenticity builds trust.
Promote products you believe in, Patsy. Thracian Fayed. Credibility is everything.
Once accepted, you'll get unique tracking links to share.
Now the journey begins, creating content that drives clicks.
Plan your content, reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and roundups. SEO ensures your blog posts and videos rank on Google.
Video is powerful. Showing products in action builds trust.
Always add affiliate links with clear calls to action. Blogs remain effective. Of Koliv, detailed reviews convert readers into buyers.
Publishing consistently builds authority and credibility.
Social media amplifies reach regions. TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn drive traffic. Your first click is proof the system works. Every click builds momentum toward your first sale.
Email lists create direct connections with your audience.
Consistency is the secret, Itru. Regular content builds trust, traffic, and steady growth.
Update your blog layout and clean design keeps readers engaged longer.
Add comparison tables, Mubbles. So far, they help users decide and increase clicks.
Create product roundup posts. Multiple recommendations boost conversions.
Film tutorial videos dailies, showing how products work builds trust.
Add affiliate links in video descriptions with clear calls to action.
Promote content on social media. TikTok and Instagram drive massive traffic.
Engage with comments. Al-Khavana. Interaction builds community and credibility. Experiment with different headlines. Reuse weblinks. Small changes can double click-through rates.
Add opt-in forms to collect emails. And your list is your biggest asset.
Send newsletters with curated product recommendations, and email converts consistently.
Track open rates and clicks data shows what your audience values.
Test different formats. Blogs, videos, and infographics reach varied audiences.
Collaborate with communities. Forums and groups expand your reach.
Refresh old posts. Refresh old posts. Updated content ranks higher and converts better. Use AI tools to speed up writing. Scale content without burning out.
Create comparison videos. Side-by-side reviews drive engagement.
Earn multiple commissions. Proof your system is working.
Celebrate progress. Every sale is a step toward financial freedom.
Track performance, clicks, conversions, and bounce rates.
Improve design, clean layouts keep readers engaged.
Again. Comparison charts and visuals help users decide faster.
Your first commission proves affiliate marketing works.
Reinvest profits into better tools and content quality.
Communities accelerate growth. Learn from others. Share wins.
A/B testing headlines boosts click-through rates.
Higher ticket offers mean bigger commissions per sale. Transparency builds trust. Always disclose affiliate links.
Scaling means refining what works, updating old content, and expanding into new formats.
Set clear goals: traffic, conversions, and income targets.
Key lessons: choose the right niche, create helpful content, and track everything.
Tools like Canva, TubeBuddy, and ConvertKit streamline your workflow.
Affiliate income grows predictably with consistent effort. Sharing knowledge inspires others to start their journey.
Affiliate marketing in 2026 is evolving. With the right strategy, you can build income, impact, and freedom, one link at a time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights and start building your journey today.